What's up guys, Jake here, and today we're going to be checking out my top themes for the iOS 13 jailbreak. Okay guys, so the first theme that we do have up here is the Big Sur theme. So as you can see here, all of these icons do look like the Big Sur icons in the new macOS 11.0 Big Sur update. This is like the Finder icon for files, and then as you can see, these are all like the Safari and Messages icon. They all look like they do on Big Sur. Now, obviously, there is no phone icon for Big Sur, so that isn't there. But other than that, most of these icons look exactly like on Big Sur if you do like those. So once again, this theme is called Big Sur. Okay, guys, so the next theme is called Daeva. So as you can see, this is what it does look like. All these icons do look pretty nice. The reminders one's a nice check mark, so you can check off once you do something on your reminders. The photos icon is now a nice purple, and the settings icon, which I really like, is like this nice toggle. And then the messages icon has the three little dots, as if like when you're texting somebody, which looks pretty cool. And here's the YouTube and Spotify icon. So I think this theme looks pretty cool. So once again, this is called Daeva. Okay guys, so this next theme is called Fenix with an F. So as you can see here, this is what the icons do look like. The wallet one looks pretty cool because it has the little Apple card there. And the notes one has the little clipboard, and the reminders has the bell as well. And then it also has a little Apple logo up here on an envelope with the mail icon. And so I think this one looks pretty cool. We have the Spotify and YouTube as well as the TV icon. It's like the Apple TV remote. So once again, this is called Fenix with an F. So this next theme is called Fenix Black. Everything is the same as the previous theme that I just showed you, which was just called Fenix. This is the all black version, so it blacks out the background in all of these, as you can see here. And this looks pretty nice. So if you do have another tweak that changes your icons depending on if you're in light mode and dark mode, you could assign these icon packs. So regular Fenix for light mode, and then Fenix Black for dark mode. So once again, this is called Fenix Black. So this next theme is a bit of a funky one. This one is called Folds. So as you can see here, this is what all of the icons do look like. It doesn't cover up all of them, like here, like there's no one for Geekbench or Subway Surfers, but it switches out most of them, and I think it looks pretty cool because there is no background to the icons. So once again, this is called Folds. So this next theme is called Liaca. So as you can see here, this wallet icon looks pretty cool again because it shows like the wallet and the little cards popping out of it. And then the settings icon is a little slider. And then I love this TV icon. It's just a big TV that says C on it. And the stocks icon looks a bit better than normal, I think, as well. And the health one, I think this is a Band-Aid, if I'm correct. And then the FaceTime one looks like an actual camera. You can see the little like buttons there. And then if we do swipe over, this Apple Watch one and Spotify also looks really, really, really cool. And it also includes this installer icon as well, which some of the other themes don't, as well as the Check Rain logo. So once again, this is called Liaca. Okay, so the next theme is called Liaca Dark. So as I said before, these dark ones just do almost black out the background, or in this one, it's kind of like a dark gray. And I think it looks pretty cool. So if you want the light and dark mode, you want to switch your icons. This is the Liaca Dark, and so I think this looks pretty cool with the backgrounds here. Like Spotify looks pretty cool, as well as like files. It's the file cabinets. So once again, this is called Liaca Dark. Okay guys, so this next theme is my personal favorite theme that I use on my main device. This is called Lotus. So as you can see, it switches up all of these icons, and it looks really, really, really nice. I use this on my personal device, like I just said. The Spotify icon looks pretty cool, as well as the watch icon. I don't know what's going on with my background. It does seem to be glitching out. But if we go inside this folder here, you'll see the calculator icon, which I think also looks really cool. And the Compass app as well as the voice memos. These all look really, really, really cool. So once again, this is called Lotus. Okay, so this next one is called Lotus Dark. So this is the dark version of Lotus. I think it looks pretty cool. Again, the just blacks out the backgrounds. So I'd say it looks pretty cool. So once again, this is called Lotus Dark. Okay guys, so this next one is one of my other favorites. It's called Muze 4. So it shakes up the icons a bit and adds some nice colors to them. It makes them really pop, I think. So this is the stocks one. I think that looks cool with the really diagonal lines. And the calendar up there looks pretty cool, as well as the clock. They kind of match together. And I think the messages icon looks good, as well as Spotify and Files also look really good. So once again, this is called Muze 4. So this next theme is called Offwhite. And this really adds that like 3D effect to these icons, and it looks pretty cool. This messages icon looks like from macOS Mountain Lion, and then this wallet one also looks pretty cool. You can see the MasterCard and Visa in there, and I also like this Apple TV one. Looks pretty cool with the Apple TV like logo within the TV. And then this clock also looks kind of like old school and nice, as well as the weather and maps ones also look really nice. So once again, this is called Offwhite. Okay, so this next one is called Oreo, and I think it looks pretty nice with the white backgrounds, and I just think it looks really cool. Like this Eye Cleaner Pro one looks awesome, and the Apple Watch one looks like when the Apple Watch is booting up. It looks like they do even have one for Geekbench 5 as well, and I think it looks really nice with the white background with the Spotify icon. As well as the installer icon and some of these other ones. It adds a more like rounded corners to all of them, and I just think it looks really nice. So this next one is called Oreo Dark. This is just like Oreo, except the backgrounds are darker, and some of these icons have changed. Looks like the clock one for some reason is light, but maybe that'll be fixed in an update soon. But these all, again, look really nice. Like the photos one looks kind of cool with the dark background, as well as calendar. So once again, this is called Oreo Dark. Okay, so this next one is called Viola, and it has like a nice cartoony look to it, and I think it looks pretty cool, especially this home one with the big house, as well as the settings has the nice slider, and this podcast one looks pretty cool with like just the nice clean dot in the middle. And then this books one looks like actual books stacked on top of each other, and the reminders is that nice bell. And then I also love this photos one with the blue around it, and the camera one looks pretty cool as well. Then if we scroll over here, we have the file cabinets again with files, and then I love the Spotify icon as well. It looks really, really nice, as well as the Check Rain and Apple Watch logos. Those also look really, really, really nice. So the final theme we have here is called Zanilla 9. So as you can see here, this notes one just looks like a nice notepad. It looks pretty cool. And then I love the mail one. It's just like an all-white envelope, like a real envelope. And some of these look more cartoony. Like the maps one looks awesome right here. I love this one. It looks like they didn't do the Apple TV one for some reason, but maybe that'll be out in an update soon. And then the phone, Safari, messages, and music icons also look really nice as well. And the Spotify one like really pops, as well as the Filesa one. And I really like the Cydia one too, as well as the Contacts one, which looks kind of like the old Contacts icon from iOS 6. And then this Apple Watch icon finally looks really nice. So once again, this is called Zanilla 9. Okay guys, that just about wraps up this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to hit that like button, as well as the subscribe button and that little bell notification icon, so that way you do receive notifications when I do upload. And I'm Jake, the Tech Professor, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.